Looking for color inspiration to create an elegant, warm, and modern atmosphere in your home? The Slate and Oak palette from Sherwin Williams might be the answer. This collection combines the strength of dark tones with calming natural hues, bringing strong character, rich texture, and a more vibrant feel to any space. In this video, we'll explore some of the standout colors in the Slate and Oak collection, along with the moods they create and tips on how to use them in your interior. So make sure you watch until the end. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and support this channel so we can keep bringing you the best design inspiration. Let's get started. Sealskin from Sherwin Williams. Sealskin is a rich, deep, dark brown that feels dense and full of warmth. This color delivers a dramatic yet comforting impression, thanks to its depth that envelops a room like a warm embrace. When used in a bright living room or a workspace with sufficient lighting, sealskin can highlight the surrounding decorative elements. Wooden furniture, gold metal accents, and natural textures like linen or leather will stand out even more. This color is perfect for those who want to create a space with a strong character while still feeling welcoming and inviting. Teakwood from Sherwin Williams. Teakwood adopts the warm character of teakwood, bringing a natural atmosphere rich in texture. This color is perfect for modern home interiors that want an organic touch without losing a contemporary feel. In rooms with natural lighting, teakwood comes to life with soft, warm gradients. It also serves as an ideal foundation for natural-themed decor such as indoor plants, rattan weaves, or wooden panels. Soft suede from Sherwin Williams. If you're looking for a warm-toned neutral color, SW9577, soft suede is a choice worth considering. This color resembles soft suede material, offering a calm yet elegant impression. The strength of soft suede lies in its flexibility. It pairs easily with other color palettes, both dark and light. For bedrooms, small living rooms, or reading nooks, this color can create a soothing atmosphere without feeling monotonous. With the right lighting, soft suede reveals a neutral depth that enhances visual comfort. Cyberspace from Sherwin Williams. Cyberspace is a cool charcoal black that conveys a modern, elegant, and dramatic impression. Although it appears strong, this color can actually create a calming effect when applied correctly. One of its best uses is on accent walls or home entryways. When paired with blue-tone trim, cyberspace produces a stunning visual effect that adds a futuristic touch while still feeling warm. This color is also an excellent choice for minimalist or industrial-style interiors, especially when combined with concrete, metal, or light wood materials. Brevity Brown from Sherwin Williams. Brevity Brown features a dark brown shade with a slight hint of red, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. This color is ideal for spaces where you want to evoke both comfort and elegance, such as bright living rooms or accent walls in a home office. When paired with a soft white trim like Nice White, Brevity Brown delivers a beautiful contrast that makes the room feel livelier without appearing overwhelming. This color is highly effective for high-functioning spaces, as it fosters an environment that is welcoming and productive, while also being aesthetically pleasing. The Sherwin Williams Slate and Oak color collection offers an ideal blend of bold dark tones and warm natural hues. From the dramatic feel of sealskin, the modern calmness of cyberspace, to the softness of soft suede, each color can enrich the character of your space. Use this palette to create visual depth, add emotional texture to a room, or enhance your interior style, whether classic, modern, or minimalist. With the right lighting and a balanced color combination, Slate and Oak can transform an ordinary room into one full of personality and comfort.